As soon as daylight broke, homeowners living here along Mustang Road, including Amy Duncan and her husband, were hard at work cleaning up. Their home of 2 years is one of at least 40 structures that were heavily damaged during Saturday's devastating storms, according to the Brazoria County Sheriff's Office. They say a tornado touched down between the Alvin and Hillcrest area and the Liverpool area, killing 1 woman and injuring 4 others, and leaving behind a path of destruction.
I literally felt the force of it blowing us.
Amy and her family were in the middle of opening gifts, celebrating a late Christmas when she says the tornado hit.
It came straight through our living room. We had our 96-year-old grandmother here. We just hunkered down and covered each other up.
Fortunately, she says, other than some minor cuts and bruises, no one was seriously hurt.
That's the best thing. Everybody was safe. Everybody was good.
Their home, however, didn't fare as well.
We don't have a roof on half of, 80% of the house. It all fell through last night.
She and her husband now left with uncertainty.
We're trying to just get our stuff out and figure out what we're doing next. So, Happy New Year.
Alvin ISD is also working to come up with a plan after one of its campuses was hit hard. This morning, district officials and structural experts arrived at Walt Disney Elementary School to survey the building, which includes heavy roof damage. The district says they're still working on a plan, including where to relocate the students and staff when they return from winter break in just over a week. Meanwhile, as recovery efforts continue, members of this community say they're grateful.
It was scary, but we made it, and it could have been a lot worse.
And will rebuild. In Alvin, Michelle Choi, KHOU 11 News.